welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And today I feel like eating light, so I had a craving for crab legs. So here's my crab legs. I'm gonna break them all up, break them down. I already started. There's the shell, and here we go. I'm gonna get ahead, add some seasoning, show you the seasoning. So we'll be back with the seafood. Okay, there's the crab meat. There's the mayo, the obey, my Goya adobo, a little dash of lemon juice. There's the coleslaw. I already got it pre-packaged. And then here's my tortilla shells, the soft ones. I'm gonna fry this up in a pan and grill it just a little bit to do this wrap. Really quick and tasty. I got my tortilla shells here. If you notice, I did grill them. I don't like them in the microwave. I like to put them on the stove. Again, make them a little crispy. This is my salad over here of all the fixings that I showed you with a little bit of black olives because I do like black olives. And a little bit of more veggies. And I'm going to put them in here, wrap them up, and manja! Okay, this is it. There's my crab, real crab salad that I'm rolled into a burrito. Nice, healthy, not much mayo. And you can even do it like this. And now you got a taco. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.